So guys, we've changed location. We've driven 17 minutes up the coast to Lead Mine, and this is a National Trust site, and we're going to do a little walk, circular walk to the headland, and look out for some marine mammals and some basking sharks. Another stretch of the southwest coast path that leaves me with my jaw open. It's just so pretty, I can't cope. That water looks so inviting right now. That is where we are heading. It looks like there's two headlands, so hopefully we'll see some wildlife. I'm sorry if it's windy, because it is windy, because we're at the top of the headland looking out at the beautiful ocean. So we're going to sit here for a bit. We haven't seen any marine life yet, but there's still time, so we're just going to chill out here, drink a bit of water, look out at the view, and hopefully something will pass through. We sat on the headland for a while, but we didn't see anything. We saw a few gannets and cormorants, but no megafauna. Never mind, there's still tomorrow. We may find something. I mean, Cornwall's pretty epic for seals and things, so yeah, hopefully. But we're walking the rest of the circular now, back to the car park. I think it's about another mile or so. And then we're going to drive to our shepherd's hut. So it turns out we weren't on the right headland. We haven't even made it there yet. We overheard some people, and we're walking towards, what's it called, babe? Pentire Point now. Goons.
I've just made a friend. Yes. Laura. Everywhere we go we're surrounded by animals. It's just the way it is.
We've just made it to Pentire Point, and that's the view of the estuary. So we're probably just going to chill here for a minute, have a look at the view, check for any cetaceans or marine mammals, and head back to the car. And I think the next time you'll see us is at the shepherd's hut. So guys, Stu's chatting away because he's well excited because I've actually picked us a really lovely place to stay. So we've arrived and we've got this lovely kind of countryside, although it is farmers' fields and things. It's just lovely and peaceful. We've got a hedge that separates us from the other two shepherds' huts there. And I'm gonna give you a tour now because this place is so lush, I can't even. So this is our honeysuckle shepherd's hut. We've got outdoor space and beautiful little flowers and a fire pit which we'll get up and working later. Some lovely steps up to some double doors and we'll go inside. So there's our little bed area, king size bed. Thank you very much. A lovely little welcome gift. They're not vegan though, so I'll probably take them home and give them to someone who will eat them. Kitchen, log burner. I think it might rain tomorrow, so this might actually be useful. And then we've even got our own bathroom. How amazing is that? So there it is. We're going to be staying here for a couple of nights, enjoying the Cornish countryside and coastline, just taking some time out to relax and just enjoy ourselves and yeah, enjoy nature as we always do, but away from home. So I'm going to end the video here. I think we're going to grab a glass of Prosecco and some dinner, so I might join you a bit later for that. But thank you so much for watching this video. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you in the next one.